Importance of using smart building technology and information systems for project management and cost savings. In the realm of construction, the utilization of smart construction technology and information systems has become increasingly crucial for efficient project management and cost savings. These innovative tools and systems have revolutionized the way construction projects are planned, executed, and monitored. This article delves into the significance of leveraging smart construction technology and information systems to effectively manage projects and optimize cost efficiencies. Smart construction technology encompasses a range of cutting-edge solutions, including building information modeling, BIM, Internet of Things, IoT devices, drones, and automated machinery. These technologies enable project stakeholders to streamline processes, enhance collaboration, and make informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle. With BIM, for instance, a 3D digital representation of the project is created, integrating data about the building's design, materials, and systems. This comprehensive model facilitates better visualization, clash detection, and coordination among different trades, reducing errors, rework, and costly delays. Moreover, the use of IoT devices in construction provides real-time monitoring and data collection, enabling stakeholders to track progress, identify bottlenecks, and optimize resource allocation. IoT sensors embedded in construction equipment can capture information related to equipment health, utilization, and performance. This data can be analyzed to identify inefficiencies, predict maintenance needs, and improve productivity. Additionally, drones equipped with cameras and sensors offer aerial views of construction sites, assisting in surveying, progress monitoring, and quality control. The integration of smart construction technology with information systems further enhances project management and cost savings. Construction project management software provides a centralized platform for efficient communication, document sharing, scheduling, and budget tracking. It enables stakeholders to collaborate in real time, ensuring timely decision-making and reducing the chances of miscommunication or delays. Additionally, these systems enable accurate cost estimation, cost tracking, and budget control, promoting cost savings throughout the project. Smart construction technology and information systems also offer the advantage of data-driven insights and predictive analytics. By collecting and analyzing data from various sources, project stakeholders can gain valuable insights into project performance, productivity trends, and risk assessment. This data-driven approach allows for proactive decision-making, early problem detection, and effective risk mitigation strategies. By identifying potential issues in advance, stakeholders can implement corrective measures promptly, reducing the likelihood of costly errors or project delays. Furthermore, the utilization of smart construction technology and information systems promotes sustainability in construction projects. These tools enable stakeholders to assess the environmental impact of design choices, optimize energy efficiency, and minimize waste generation. By simulating different scenarios and conducting lifecycle assessments, project teams can make informed decisions to reduce the project's ecological footprint and achieve sustainability goals. Additionally, the efficient use of resources and streamlined processes result in cost savings and a more environmentally conscious construction industry. However, The successful implementation of smart construction technology and information systems requires proper planning, training, and collaboration among project stakeholders. Adequate investment in technology infrastructure, skilled human resources, and change management strategies is essential to ensure a seamless transition to these new technologies. Additionally, data security and privacy concerns need to be addressed, as the integration of information systems introduces new vulnerabilities and risks. In addition to improved project management and cost savings, the use of smart construction technology and information systems offers benefits in terms of quality control and risk management. These tools allow for better tracking and monitoring of construction activities, ensuring that projects adhere to quality standards and regulatory requirements. Through real-time data analysis and predictive analytics, potential